The next question related to the alkanes is ethane and reaction with bromine in presence of sunlight. You are expected to write all possible varieties of products. All possible varieties of products. How many varieties of possible products can be obtained when ethane is allowed to react with the bromine in presence of sunlight conditions? In presence of sunlight conditions, free radical addition takes place, that is free radical substitution takes place. Due to this quantity of the bromine present over here, may monobromination, dibromination, tribromination, polybromination can also takes place without considering the stereoisomers. Without considering the stereoisomers, if we write the corresponding number of possible varieties of isomers in this case, we may get ethane like this. Here it is consisting of maybe one bromine system. We may get ethane like this, it is having two bromines. We may get under one possible product, that is there are three bromines, that is bromine 1 bromoethane, 1 comma 1 dibromoethane, 1 comma 1 tribromoethane, followed by, suppose if I take 1 bromo followed by 2 also bromo, 1 followed by 1, whereas here 1 followed by 2 combination, that is 1 comma 1 followed by 2 tribromo, and there is another one chance, this 1 followed by on the second carbon, that is 3 bromines can be present. This is also having a possibility, whereas here 1 with respect to 1, 1 with respect to 2, 1 with respect to 3, all with respect to 1 are completed. Let us go for 2, whereas here on the 1 carbon there are 2 bromines, whereas 2 followed by 1 is completed, then we left with 2 followed by 2, 2 followed by 2 combination is possible, along with 2 followed by 2, 2 followed by 3 combination is also possible, that is on one carbon 2 bromines, on the other carbon 3 bromines are present. There is last another one chance. In that what happens is, on the first carbon there are 3 bromines, on the second carbon also there are 3 bromines, like this. Here we are having possibilities like, that is hexabromoethane formation takes place. Hence if we count the number of possible varieties, there is no stereoisomer. This is 1, this is 2, whereas this is 3, whereas this is 4, this has 5, whereas this is 6, this was 7, this one is 8, and the last one is what, 9. Now we are having a chance of getting total 9 varieties of products. If I write the short form of these products in a easy version to understand, let us consider carbon as, this is carbon 1 and this is carbon 2. On the carbon 1, 1 bromination, carbon 2, no bromination. On the carbon 1, 2 bromines, carbon 2, 0 brominations, whereas carbon 1, 3 bromines. On the carbon 2, there is no brominations, followed by, this is 1 followed by 1, this is 1 followed by 2, this is 1 followed by 3. In the same way, 2 followed by 1 is also completed, hence 2 followed by 2, 2 followed by 3, whereas 3 followed by 3. The total varieties, this is 1 first variety, this is 2 second possible variety, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this will become 7, this will become 8, and this will become 9. Total 9 possible varieties of compounds are eligible as a product when bromine is allowed to react with ethane in presence of sunlight, when excess amount of bromine is present. Thus this can be formed. All possible varieties, like a mixture of 9 possible varieties of compounds, can be formed when ethane is allowed to react with the bromine in presence of sunlight conditions.